Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Yeah, just woke up and it's time to go to work. I'm already late. So let's first get some energy for the day and then continue to work. Hey, your traffic. Auditorium Kitengela. First place I ever saw a Lamborghini Urus. Hey, Buddha. Perfect. Whoa, what a nice Volkswagen Beetle and a Benz. What the heck is going on with my dashboard? So guys, I'm currently at Kitengela stage. That's how it looks like. Just want to leave this place and head back to work. Let's go, guys. That's how it looks like. Just my tattoos, man. Madri, Sakite. Whoa, Kitengela. Check out this matatu, man. Pops. Check this out, Pops. Schmold. Check out Kitengela nightlife. This is a Kitengela nightlife, guys. Yep, pretty much dark. Nothing is going on. Nothing much is going on. Maybe it's because it's on a Thursday, but tomorrow it's going down because tomorrow is on a Friday. Oh man, I'm going to miss this place. I'm gonna miss Kitengela. That's my gas station, Total, Kitengela. What a brand new Lexus looks like. Man, people in Kitengela have money. The other day I saw a Lamborghini Urus. Now it's a Lexus LX 680, brand new.